Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Cadillac ATS headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety. Next, open the hood and identify the specific headlight assembly you need to work on. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll need to remove the two 10mm bolts located at the top of the headlight assembly. Once those are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It's held by a few clips, so a firm but careful tug should release it. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it straight off. This gives you full access to the bulb. With the assembly free, you can now replace the bulb. Twist the bulb's retaining ring counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan. Align the tabs and push it firmly into place. To finish up, reattach the electrical connector to the new bulb. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its mounting clips until it clicks securely into place. Then, reinsert and tighten the two 10mm bolts at the top to fully secure it. Test your new headlight to ensure it's working correctly. For other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.